Let's explore Taskia functionalities for task tracking. With Taskia, you have a control center at your fingertips, allowing you to monitor and develop your planning in a single, organized space. You can delegate tasks to your team, set objectives, goals, strategies, activities, and filter information to achieve your milestones with a clear direction. Taskia's workspaces are highly adaptable. You can configure the functions to your liking, ensuring that you can manage your planning and effectively track the progress of your entire project. In this toolbar, you have all the functionalities for creating and organizing tasks. With Taskia, you're in the driver's seat when it comes to task management. You can create tasks, recycle tasks from other workspaces, bring descendants or ascendants of tasks, delete or hide tasks, move up or down the hierarchy of a task, and expand and collapse tasks as you see fit. Taskia's Gantt chart view is a powerful tool that allows you to view each task and subtask chronologically and establish dependency relationships. This feature enhances your efficiency by providing a clear visual representation of your tasks and their timelines. Here you can configure your workspace as you wish. Click Column Chooser and drag the functions you want to use. Once you organize your view, save it. When you log in again, it will keep the same settings. Let's see Taskia's full potential with a simple example of a sales department. Let's start assigning responsibles to each of the tasks. Go to the task and click on the Responsible column, where you will have the contact list of your collaborators. If you are missing a collaborator, you can add it using Connectia. Locate the Apps button on the main page and select Connectia. Then, in the main menu, located in the left column, select Contacts. Click the Add a Contact button. Enter the name of your collaborator. Use the contact type to determine if is this an individual or a business. Then simply press Enter. Once the contact has been created, click on Open Right panel to add more details about it. In order to link your collaborators with Taskia functionalities, register the email. Getting back to Taskia, select the task and include some task participants. In Taskia, you can distinguish between the person responsible and the participants who assist in achieving the task or objective. Let's add some deadlines and estimated start date. When there are child or dependent tasks of the main task, you must put the date in them, and the date of the parent task will automatically change. Then add an estimated due date. Taskia will highlight in yellow the tasks that are due within the next day and in red the tasks that are overdue. A task is not completed if we do not set a goal. Let's set a goal. In this column, you can put the value in which you want to represent your goal, amount, percentage, money, whatever is most convenient for your project, which provides the freedom to have several tasks related to different indicators. Later, using the achievement column, you can track your progress towards your goal by adding the milestones you've reached over time. Every single time you add a new value of achievement, we will include a detailed tracking in the details of the task on the section Follow-up. We will take care of this later on this video. Task accomplishment establishes the task's completion percentage. Subtask accomplishment determines the associated task's completion percentage. The linked feature in Taskia provides you with clear insights into which tasks contribute to your overall achievement, ensuring you're always well informed about your progress. This feature allows you to discern between tasks that may or may not contribute directly to the fulfillment of your main task. Let's illustrate this with an example. On a daily basis, not all activities are directly related to achieving the objective. For example, you can make 20 visits to your customer, but those visits should differ from your sales goal since you will be summing apples and pears. Using the linking feature, you can track the progress of both things, those directly associated with it and those who are not in one single tool. And the most important thing, despite unlinking some tasks, you can track the overall subtask accomplishment using the previously mentioned column, showcasing the flexibility of the tool to adapt to your specific needs. You can answer questions like, are my tasks really required to achieve my goal? Are my strategies enough to reach the position I would like to be? For those using Taskia, we have implemented advanced progress tracking features to elevate our project measurements. Accomplishment calculation method allows you to change the proportionality of the calculation, direct or inverse. If you use a direct calculation method, you will appreciate the result when the achievement is larger compared to the goal. An example of this is sales. On the other hand, the inverse calculation method allows you to place a positive value on tasks that involve spending or using less than expected, such as reducing project costs. Accumulated goal and achievement. Unlike the regular goal and achievement, allows you to understand the accurate fulfillment considering only those tasks that have already started and are linked on a percentage basis, without counting those that have not started. Every single task has a right panel. This panel helps you to resume what is happening with your task. There are several submenus available. Tasks. Here you can modify dates, duration, priority, urgency, importance, and impact, among other options. Comments, where you can add comments to tasks for better follow-up. Participants, where you can view and add new participants. Prelations, allows you to view which tasks are predecessors and successors of a task. Remember, if you want to see this in a graphical screen, you can use our Gantt diagram. Attachments, where you can add files up to 10 megabytes to support your task achievement. Follow-up, where you can easily track how your achievement have evolved over the time. Taskia's features enable you to effectively plan, organize, track, and analyze the progress of your project, helping you achieve objectives in an agile manner.